another vlog, another gala here at Denton Flea Market.
Sunshine, moon, both waffle, by cold love and joy. Everything feels rebel. Texas dreams and travels wide. Life's a journey, love's our guide. Humbly, oh, with Misty. Smiles and adventures, come and see. Happiness in every day. Love and laughter lead the way. Oh, with Misty. Smiles, adventures, come and see. Happiness in every day. Love and laughter lead.
There's someone who's there. So we're here at Denton Flea Market. So check it out. Are you ready, people? There you go. Yeah, another flea market to check out.
Oh, Kirk, subscribe, come join the ride. A happy heart, a joyful vibe.
Yan tayo dyan. Ito na naman kami. Titingin-tingin na naman. Hey, look at that. Ah, like this. Man, there. There's more. Yeah, look at this. There's a lot more to look at.
Why everything feels right. Texas dreams and travels wide. Life's a journey, love's our guide. Homily, oh, with Misty. Smiles, adventures, come and see. Happiness in every day.
There's more out here. Of course, toys. Look at that. There. There. Tools again. Of course. They will not be complete without the tools. That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot.
Kirk, subscribe, come join the ride.
There's a lot. There's a lot. It's a big place. There you go. Out here. Boots. Chairs. There's a flea market. There's more up there. Up there. Different kinds of things that you can buy here. Mr. Kirk, we're gonna check us something. So we got one already. There. There's chicken. And there's more out there for boots. Yep. Yeah, boxing. There will be a fight later, I guess. And yeah. Yeah, there's more out here. Cute purses, body bags, and yeah, there's more. Oh, there's hats. Look at those hats. Oh, space very now. Yeah, there's more to go. There's more out here. Yeah. Mr. Kirk is now like posing for my video. More boots. Cowboy hats. Yeah, there's more out on this rough road, so yeah. Plata 97, silver 95. So the rough road route is in my shoes.
We have one of those at the house.
Yeah, I have one.
Oh
Ready to
God.
use it.
This one fits me. This fits me inside. They're so cute. Look at that Turk. Look at this chicken again. See that? Still, as if there's not enough to so hold. There you go. It's just a stage. Gonna sing on a stage. More. Arriba, arriba. That's still not mine. Pasayaw ako. More hats. But I still haven't decided which one I'm gonna
Ask
get.
him if he has hat and a light. He'll probably have maybe.
More boots, more boots, more boots. Boots, 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 boots. Look at that. Oh, there you go. They have a... Yeah. Got the bell on it. Yeah, happy na siya. Mabili na siya ng chainsaw. I really don't know what my husband was gonna do with this.